Welcome to the WellPro 4000CE serial dilution demonstration. To show the program files on the WellPro, I'm going to open a serial dilution program file. Click on Open User Program and we'll select the serial dilution 25. I'll run this file, and as it runs I'll explain the process. The system asks us to verify that the tip magazine and the standard 96 plate are in the correct landscape format, which they are. So we'll click Run. As it runs, you can see on the left side of the touchscreen, the system displays every event that the instrument performs, so that I know what's happening with each well that is being transferred. On the right side of the touchscreen, a graphic is displayed which shows the actual transfer of each row. This serial dilution was a 25 microliter transfer from a 50 microliter source row across the plate. The instrument performed this serial dilution process in 21 seconds. You could, at this point, change the plate and repeat the same file if you're wanting to repeat that process. The system has prompted us for the tip row on the instrument. The system is set for row H, although I could select any row A through H. Or if you're using a 384 well plate, you could select the appropriate rows or columns accordingly. The instrument is going to repeat the serial dilution process on the previous plate. And again, you can run these repeatedly, or you can link these files together with a small time delay so that the files can be processed without any intervention other than changing out the plate. You've seen a brief look at a quick serial dilution file. When creating serial dilution files, you have many options. For example, you can name the file based on your particular process or protocol. You can run the file at high, low, or medium aspiration and dispense speeds. And I'll show you how you can change the speed function. Then you have the capability to select different tip racks, plate types, etc. to use in your serial dilution. You can pick up tips to be used on the next plate for the next available row of clean tips. You can specify which row of tips you want to start with, or you can have the instrument always ask which row of tips with which you would like to start. Secondly, you can set up your serial dilution either by row or by column by selecting landscape or portrait, and you can select your volumes. In this case, the transfer volume was 25 microliters. The source row is 50 microliters, and the carry volume from the last row is transferred into the tip magazine for disposal. Serial dilution programs are very easy to set up, and of course once you have set up your program and saved it, recalling the file and running it is very simple. As you can see, our serial dilution protocols are fast, easy, and very flexible. Thank you for your interest in ProGroup.